guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to trade starting with just $5 on my deposit, and I want to show you that it's possible to start trading even with just $5 on deposit. Also guys, I want to increase this amount by 1000 times. I will open deals today based on technical analysis, which means it's trading focusing on the trend of the market, also resistance level and support level. So stay with me till the end and you will see if I was able to do that or not. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope that this video will help you and you will be able to learn something useful and new for your own trading experience. Guys, let's get started. Now let's look and choose the first entry point. I noted the level near which the price had been trading for a long time, but couldn't go higher, and pullback occurred on the chart. As you can see, each maximum on the chart is lower than the previous one. Therefore, after the formation of the next decreasing maximum, I will open a deal down for 3 minutes. After our entry into the transaction, the chart shows a strong decline and continues to fall all the time of the transaction, and we got the profit, guys. Then the price continued its decline and has already gone below the previously formed lowest point on the chart. Given the strong downward movement and the breakout of the level, I think that the price will continue to go down. On the rollback of the price, I put $9 for 3 minutes. I think that even in the case of the pro trading near the chosen level, this time will be enough that the chart will go lower. As you can see, after our entry point, the price moved higher in the flat, but then longer red candles appeared. This is how we made profit. Let's find the next position, guys. There was a strong price pullback from the last low on the chart, and several candles closed above the previous high. But then the price began to go down again in solid red candles. Also, a price gap has formed on the chart. This is a good indicator for the continuation of the downward movement. And in such situation, I'll open a deal down for. As a result, my script fulfills itself perfectly and we made a profit. As we can see, guys, further the price has paid off quite a lot. The new maximum was higher than the previous one. This is a good sign for continued price growth. Then there is a pullback to the support level on the chart, but out of boredom from this level, I go to the price up. The amount of my deal is $29, the time is 1 minute. There is no big growth during this time, but even such a small upward movement is enough to earn. Let's see what the market situation is next. The price tested the level of the previous maximum, and then several candles were fixed above this level. We have an upward movement here after the formation of a new rising minimum. I will open a deal up for 3 minutes. As you can see, the price rests on the next level from which it has been adjusted several times. But this doesn't prevent us from closing above the entry point and earn. And so we are well on our way to our goal, guys. And now let's find the next entry point. After updating the maximum, the price adjusted and the next maximum was formed at the same level as the previous one. And the price went into the correction again. Given the overall bullish trend, I think the chart will continue to move up. Therefore, from the level of support, I will open a deal up. From this point, the price can at least rise to previous highs. As you can see, immediately after our entry point, a huge green candle rose on the chart, updating the maximum and break through the next level. Guys, we closed our deal with the profit. Now let's see what happens in the market next. After a strong increase, the price was expected to correct from the resistance level. Given the strong bullish mood in the market, I choose the entry point according to the trend. And after the formation of the next minimum, I will open a deal with $171 up for a minute. During this time, there is a small growth on the chart, which allows us to make a profit, guys. Then we see that the price is not ready to go higher yet. After a slight increase, the chart begins to go down again. In this case, I think we can try to make money on the price rollback to this level, and I will open a deal for a minute. Obviously, this wasn't the best entry point, but still we managed to close the deal with the profit, guys. Let's find the next position. There was a strong upward momentum on the chart. The price has reached the level of the highest point on the chart. There is a high probability that there will be a rollback from this level, since the price went into a long correction from this level for the first time. So after such an impulse, the chart is unlikely to be able to go higher immediately. From a higher point on the chart, I put $568 to go down for a minute. Immediately after our entry into the transaction, there is a downward impulse and the chart doesn't move much further. We earn, guys. As we can see further, a downtrend has formed in the market. The price moved into flat for 10 minutes, then it went a little higher. When the price slows down, I open a deal down for a minute. Considering the general bearish trend and movement near the level of the previous maximum, I think the price will continue to go down and the transaction amount is $1,000. As a result, my script worked itself out and we got the profit, guys. My goal is very near. A couple of more deals and we definitely hit that goal. So guys, let's choose the next entry point now, and as you can see, the chart moved sideways near the support level for a long time, but then bought off with impulse candles. At the same time, the price managed to go above the previous highs. In such a situation, after a slight slowdown in the price, I will open a deal with the whole deposit up. At the beginning, the chart shows a slight drop, but then the long green candle grows and the deal brings us profit, guys. Now let's make another deal, guys. I noted the level of support that has kept the price down well in the past, so even now it has to keep the price above it. A few minutes ago, the chart broke through this level with an impulse and went much higher. At the same time, many candles have already closed above this level. Therefore, on the rollback of the price, I will open a deal up for 3 minutes. Even in the case of a support level test, during this time the price should have time to go at least to the previous maximum. And our transaction amount is $3,000. As a result, a level test really happens first, but then the price continues to rise and updates the maximum on the chart. This is how we earned on the last transaction today, guys. And my trading plan is fulfilled because I have more than $6,000. Well, guys, I fixed the profit and leave the market. That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new today, and also, as you could see, it's possible to start trading even with just $5 and to increase deposit up to $6,000. Guys, of course, it needs training. That's why I really advise you to spend more time on your trading. My videos will definitely help you in that. Also, guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals, and if you want to get them, it's super easy. What you need to do, just text me code word signal on my Telegram and I will add you to my closed group. Also guys, I hope you already subscribe to this channel and put a big thumbs up to this video, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I will see you in the next video. I wish you to have a successful trading sessions. Bye bye.